Hey guys, what's going on? This is Eric Garcia for Java 1 for the May 2014 term. In this video I'm going to give you a brief overview of our week 1 project. As you can see here, I called it Cup of Joe. And it's just a simple application, like if you're at a store wanting to place an order, you can go ahead and type in your name there, whatever kind of coffee you want. My favorite is an espresso. I like it a double shot with just 1 scoop of sugar. As you can see, the keyboard changes as you go to that field, so you can only put in the numbers there. And then you'd go ahead and place your order. And then it goes ahead and says, it prints out order ready for Eric from the name. Your espresso is ready. It has a double shot and is black with 1 scoop of sugar. Enjoy. And then obviously that would change depending on whatever else you put in. And I don't know how I got that null at the front. I was driving me crazy trying to figure that out, and I couldn't figure it out. But I'm going through the code here. I set up a bunch of variables at the top for passing in the strings. I set up an array list of strings to meet the array requirement, as well as piecing together each part of the array. And then I set up a basic complete order function, another requirement for this application, and I just called it from the onCreate method. What I would have liked to done is split this up into maybe a couple different methods to, obtaining the fields and setting the values and things like that, but I kind of just shoved it all into this one. So here we obtain all the fields from the display. Then we clean the array if we wanted to post it again and place another order. Here we set the value to the ones we need to set with the name, the coffee name, and the number of scoops, or scoops of sugar rather. Then here I'm starting to piece together the Mad Lib, if you will, of your order. So the order is ready with the string name, the coffee name. And then we go through and we check the radial buttons here to see which one, if single. Then we set the bool to, yes, true, obviously, and then if not, it's going to be no, which defaults to double because there's only a single or double. And then you go through the checkboxes, and here you set it, if both of them are checked, those bools would be true, or true or false, and as that goes along. And then at the end of those, you send it to the display order method, which is down here, which goes ahead and sets the text for the single or double shot, and then it also sets it with the cream and sugar. Depending on what you did, it obviously changes to tell you how many scoops of sugar, if you had sugar, or if you didn't have any of that, it's just enjoy your coffee. And then it loops through the string array and prints it out to a final string, and then finally put it out to the text view. How I'm liking Java so far, I like it. It's very familiar compared to Objective-C and Xcode. Sometimes it feels a little off or sluggish, if you will, in the development side of it, but I'm not sure how I can go ahead and get that up, but I do like working with it quite a bit because it seems very robust and very familiar. So with that, guys, it's been a great week. Look forward to the upcoming weeks. Take care.